Hey guys, welcome back to Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to transfer files with TeamViewer. So guys, it is a very simple fix. So first is first is you could just simply open up the TeamViewer into your computer, guys. And of course, once you are here, you could just simply go for the remote support options, and you could just simply go for the TeamViewer ID category. And now from here, you could just simply ask for your friend about their ID, like this one on me. So just simply go for their ID and provide it over here. And one thing to do this video, and you will have an option over here, remote control. So instead of remote control, we could have a file transfer over here, and it will be just the same process when you select connect over here, select connect. And of course, you may need a password. So you may need to ask for your friend about the password that they have onto their computer, and just simply select log on over here. And pretty much once you are logged on, as you can see, this one is my computer, which is the local computer, and now I could access the other computer over here. So pretty much, for example, I'm gonna go ahead and go for the desktop that I have, and now for example, I'm gonna copy this Microsoft Excel here. So guys, you could just simply click and drag it into the other computer, but of course you have to select a path file first. So from here, for example, I'm gonna go ahead and put it over here, and pretty much as you can see, we will now have a copy on it onto the other computer, as you can see over here. And of course guys, you could do the same thing. You could just simply click some files onto the remote computer and just simply send it over here, and you should be able to see the details over here that you have did during this process. And you could also create a folder, delete a selected object, and pretty much you will have a very basic friendly interface over here to do this process. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.